Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Steam to download games. To download games using Steam, follow these steps. Open Steam and log in if you already have an account. Once logged in, click on the Store tab at the top of the Steam window. Browse or search for the game you want to download by using the search bar or checking out categories like top sellers, etc. For paid games, click on the game, choose Add to Cart, and then complete the purchase process by following the prompts. For free games, click Play Game or download directly from the game's store page. After purchasing or selecting a game, you'll see a prompt to begin the download. Choose the installation location or leave it as default and click Install, then click Accept. The game will start downloading automatically and you can track the progress in the Library tab under Downloads. Once the download is complete, go to your library in Steam. Find the game, for example, this game is already finished, and click play to start it. Now, you're all set to download and play games on Steam. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.